All right, folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, and a passionate women's health advocate. You can learn more about the work I do on my website, emilydaugherty.com. This is also my sweet doggy, Charlie. He is a rescue, and he loves to come to all of our workouts together. So this is a 10-minute walking workout. We'll walk about half a mile, get about 1,000 steps in, and I'll structure this. It's going to be 1 minute warm up, followed by 10 minutes of exercise, and then a 1 minute cool down. I'm going to be quiet most of this workout so you can enjoy this playlist. When you're ready, let's get into it. All right, here we go. We're going to start with a little walk in place. We have 4 basic moves. I'm going to show them to you right here. This is our first move. You can always come back here if you need to take a little break. Please have some water close by if you need it. Next move, side step. Use the space you have. We step side to side.
I saw you today, and things haven't changed. I'm lost again.
3, 2, 1. Walk in place.
So I can see you now and then.
Next move, knee lifts. Lift a knee, lift a knee.
I'm always forgetting that you were running wild.
3, 2, 1. Last move, it's a kick. Just kick it out.
I try not to let things keep going.
Great job. Let's get into the workout. We're going to start with our side steps. Side step.
If all you ever said was mine tonight, tell me would I be the king running? I'm sick of waiting round, I have no right. Everything I gave to you must have meant something. It's so far away, I miss the brighter days with you around. No words left to say.
So 3,
I guess you paved
2,
the way, found a
1.
way out.
15 seconds of active recovery. Walk in place.
If I told you I'm sorry, I'm sure you tried to hide.
3, 2, 1. Next move, let's get the knees up, reach up.
I guess I'll always know I tried. If all you ever said was mine tonight, tell me will I be the one who still came running? I'm sick of waiting round, I have no right. Everything I gave to you must have meant something. I've had to crawl out of your skin. It hasn't worked too well.
3, 2, 1. Walk in place.
It hasn't worked too well.
Next move, go into your kicks. We're going to kick. Both arms reach out.
My baby knows that I work hard for a living. There ain't no arguing with that. I bring the bacon home and when there's some left over, I see him chewing on the fat.
For 3, 2, 1. Active recovery.
I drink my coffee with a bit of cream and sugar. It tastes too bitter when it's black. Then when I'm tired, I drink my whiskey in the evening. Ain't nothing I see wrong with that.
Next move, widen your stance. Give me a knee lift.
Charlie knows I'm a hard-working woman. I bought me ground to make the dough. But he's got my heart and all my sweet, sweet loving, and that's why Charlie says he loves me so. Not every man
3, 2, 1, walk.
I'm sorry, babe, I didn't mean to cause damage. God bless your soul for being there when I need you.
Great job. Knee lifts are coming back. Lift, lift, both arms reach.
Charlie knows I'm a hard-working woman. I'm a big runner, make them do. He's got my heart and all the sweet, sweet loving, and that's why Charlie says he loves me so. Charlie knows I'm a hard-working woman. I'm a big runner, make them do. He's got my heart and all the sweet, sweet loving, and that's why Charlie says he loves me so.
3, 2, 1, walk in place. Modified jumping jack. Start with a toe tap and then get the arms overhead. We're halfway through this workout. Three, 2, 1, walk.
You got some nerve, yeah. Calling me up on my birthday. Pick up the phone, yeah. Hear what it is you have to say. Don't wanna hear.
Kick it out, kick and kick. Fingers to the shoulders, reach up, down, out, and back.
I just need to know what it is you want. 'Cause when you tell me you miss me, I know. We've had this conversation before.
Three, 2, 1, walk. Next move, widen your feet. Give me a kick back. Kick, kick. Palms face up. Give me a pulse. Almost there.
You just push me away. But then when I try to leave, you always ask me to stay. When we get too close, you just push me away. But then when I try to leave, you always ask me to stay. All this back and forth got me fucked up. I just need to know what it is you want. 'Cause when you tell me you miss me, I know.
2 and 1, walk. Side steps. 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Almost there. Widen your feet, crossbody punch. Three, 2, 1. Great job, we did it. Do not skip this cool down. So let's start to slow the heart rate down, slow the breath rate down. Keep moving a little bit here in the lower body. And then while we're here, heel tap. Three, 2, 1. Plant the feet wide. Take one arm to the sky, inhale. Exhale, fold. Release. Other side. Release. Hands to the hips. Inhale, get length. Exhale, fold halfway. Hands stay on the upper thigh bones. Shake your head, yes and no. Slowly come on out of there. We'll finish this practice with an angel breath. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, send the hands down, let it go. So proud of you. I'm so excited that you said yes to your health and your wellness today, and you completed this whole workout with me. So 10 minutes, about 1,000 steps, or about half a mile. So way to go, big high fives to you. Of course, if you want to learn a little bit more about the work I do and the resources I have for you, go to my website, emilydaugherty.com, and over there, grab your 4-week health and fitness tracker, which is a great place to start, especially for beginners when they're looking to track their health and wellness goals. So grab that resource, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you want a gentle post-workout stretch, check out this video. I'll leave a link up above somewhere, and you can grab that or take a look at that video next. All right, take good care.